So in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make $75 an hour as an Uber driver, okay? So when you're going out driving for Uber, really the most you can make on the app is probably around $20 an hour, $30 an hour, maybe 40 or 50 on a really good hour, but let's be realistic. How consistent are you actually pulling in $40 to $50 per hour? Maybe you'll hit that in 1 hour, and then the next hour you'll make zero, or the next hour you'll make $8 an hour, right? There's only really so much you can make as an Uber driver. However, when you're out on the road for 4, 5, 6 hours a day or at a time, you are really positioning yourself in an incredible opportunity to increase your income doing other things, right? And as an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, you have really achieved, or a gig worker really, you've really achieved the form of flexibility with your time, which is extremely important because let's say you find a different way or a supplemental way to make money. You can literally just cut back your hours a little bit with Uber and Lyft or your gig apps and focus on what's making you more money. And right now, with the age of everybody addicted to their phones and everybody on their phones, there's so many ways to make money right on your phone, which again, as an Uber or Lyft driver or gig worker, you're in an incredible position to be able to work in between your rides or after your rides, or when you're out and about, you know, you're out seeing the world, you're seeing your city, you're seeing your town, you're going to a cafe, you have time to be on your phone, and you're kind of in a little bit of an inspirational setting because again, you're not sitting at home at a desk and you're bored and you're out and about, you're in the sun, you're outside, you're driving around, you have time to think, you have time on your phone to create new business opportunities for you. And again, there's so many different ways to make money right here on your phone. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways that if you're a gig worker, you can start making money while you're driving or in between your rides in order to start making up to $75 per hour or even more, guys. Hundreds of dollars per hour. I'm not joking because the internet right now is so crazy. There's so many people in my life who's making life-changing money right now. My friend just sent me, we were just talking, she made over $1,000 today on Tik Tok Shop. Tik Tok Shop, my friends, or just TikTok in general, is paying, and I've made over $1,000 on TikTok, but I've been doing it for a while. This is somebody who has a really small following, one of my friends. There's people who are just starting out making thousands of dollars on these internet apps. It's crazy. So the first one really I want to talk about is TikTok Shop. You don't need a following to start. And by the way, I'll have links below to these 3 ways that you can start making money because these are all ways that I make money. So I'm teaching you guys how to do it. And there's huge long videos down below when you click explaining it all. And when you join those, they're like memberships where with group chats and stuff where I help you, that you can get a free trial when you join for 30 days. But TikTok Shop, my friends, is, in my opinion, probably the easiest way to sign up and start making money within a very, very short amount of time, because you don't need to have a big following to make money on TikTok. TikTok, the way they have it set up now is in the app, you can buy and sell products. I'll show you some of my videos just so you have an understanding of what it is. So I'm right now promoting one of these products. It's an 8 air conditioning unit. I'll just show you what it looks like, just so you guys can see. It's this product right here, and it's a little AC unit for $28. And
it changes colors, shoots out misters.
And as you can see, this is my video that I just created today. And when you click on it, my viewers can buy this product for $28 if you click on one of these. What is it? 28 bucks. But as you can see right here, guys, there's a commission right there. $3 per sale, right? You see that at the top? So if this one video goes viral and I get 1,000 sales, that's $3,000 from one little TikTok video. And what did I do? I went to Walmart. I got a little smart with this one. I went to Walmart and showed how expensive the air conditioners are at Walmart. And they're 300 bucks at Walmart. Obviously, those ones at Walmart are really high-tech ones, but you get the point of the video. I'm comparing how expensive an AC is at Walmart versus the one on TikTok. So you guys can, this took me 5 minutes to make. I walked into Walmart, said, wow, look how expensive they are. I didn't buy anything. I went home. And this AC unit too, by the way, guys, plugs into your car. So if you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, you can promote this product. There's so many products you can promote that are for your car. Look at this other one that I just ordered. I'm gonna start promoting this one. It's a car charger, a 4-in-1 retractable car charger. You can go on TikTok and start promoting these products, and you don't need to show your face at all. Again, I have a link below, TikTok Shop course community, and you'll see an hour-long video, or it's like 40 minutes, and we have a group chat where I'll be helping you start your own shops up. So this is another product, and again, you don't need to show your face in these. You can just do little like POVs, like filming. You don't even need to talk either. If you don't want to, you can just type text out. But I think it's good to do no face, but with audio. So you could say like, guys, look at this, Bluetooth thing that I just got. Or sorry, look at this car charger I just got, and it's retractable. Like, I've seen people making thousands and thousands of dollars with this thing. And every time somebody sells it, look, this one's only 12 bucks, so it's a lot cheaper, but you get $2 per sale. So again, if you sell if 1,000 people buy that from one video, that's two grand almost in one video. So that's an amazing opportunity and again, you could just be doing this in between your rides real quick and start racking up a couple $100 a day extra with TikTok Shop. So join the link below if you'd like. The second way, guys, is YouTube, Faceless YouTube channel. In my opinion, this is probably a better way to make money long term. I think TikTok's a great way to make quick money. I mean, again, I was just telling you, my friend, she's at $1,200 today so far, and it's $9.57. Well, I asked her an hour ago, what are you at? Because this morning she hit $500 by 10 a.m. And she posted a video about it, and I was like, holy crap. So then I just texted her again at 9 p.m. I say, hey, did you hit 1,000 yet? She goes, yep. She's at 1,100 bucks at 9 p.m. Profit, that's pure profit, by the way. That's profit, just money. Like, she's promoting those products, so that's the commission. It's called affiliate marketing, TikTok Shop affiliate. We talk about it in the link below. The second one is Faceless YouTube channel. Again, link below to this. This is one that I'm currently making money with. I mean, I'm making money on TikTok as well, but I'll just show you the Faceless YouTube channel method. I've been making money doing this for years. This is one of I have several YouTube was really the main way that I was able to quit my job and do social media full time and quit Uber and everything. This is this year so far. As you can see, I have so many different side hustles. This is just one YouTube channel I have several monetized ones. This is, so far this year, $57,000, 10 grand a month. You can see some days I brought in over $1,000. I think that one was even over 2,000. What does that say? Oh, no, I can't read that one. Yeah, that one I hit $2,700 in a single day on YouTube. And this is after YouTube's cut. So that day I probably brought in like 6 grand. YouTube took 3 grand from me, or for the ads. Obviously it's their app. This is how they do it. This was last year, 2023. The whole year I averaged over 10K. So many days hitting over $1,000. And I'm teaching you guys and breaking it all down to you with the link below for Faceless YouTube channel. Again, 30-day free trial for both TikTok and YouTube Faceless channel. And by the way, the Faceless YouTube channel, you don't need a following either. You don't need to show your face, but that one is less of a get rich quick scheme and more of like, probably not something you can do as often driving in your car, but you can kind of do it like, I mean, you could. I mean, I know a lot of you guys have hotspots, but I prefer to do it. I don't know. I feel like the Faceless YouTube channel takes a little bit more time, which is fine, but you get a better long-term reward payout. Because I think with TikTok, I mean, a lot of people are saying, oh, TikTok's gonna get banned. And I'm like, okay, well, it might get banned in a year, it might get banned in 6 months, but they're paying me now. All right, so I'm gonna make $1,000 a day for 6 months. and I'm gonna make 180 grand, and you guys are people are complaining, not you guys, but some people are like, oh my gosh, well, it's gonna get banned in a year. I'm like, okay, well, I'm making $1,000 a day on TikTok Shop. Some people are making 3 grand a day, and so I'm supposed to say, well, TikTok might get banned in a year, so I'm gonna stop making 3 grand a day. I don't get that logic at all. Once it gets banned, then I'll stop, okay? Because it's the money's so good. Obviously, because TikTok Shop, you don't need to like invest that much time into it to like start making money. You kind of get rewarded like very quickly. The last one too is Shopify dropshipping. Shopify dropshipping, and all these things, by the way, these are things that don't require a lot of money to get started. I highly don't recommend starting something that costs over 500, like honestly, like my threshold is like $200 to get started. I don't like spending, I like doing businesses and by the way, I bought my house doing YouTube and TikTok. So this is just coming from me. I've never bought, a $3,000 course, $5,000 course. I've never spent more than $200 on really starting any business. My whole thing is, if it's a business that you can start for $0 or, 20 bucks for a website or whatever, or 50 bucks for this or that, sure, I'll look into it. But Faceless YouTube channel, you obviously don't need any money to start a channel. TikTok Shop, you don't need any money to start it. You might need to buy some of the products. Sure, you might spend $100 buying products. You can get probably 5-10 different products to start promoting, to make videos with. Or you could just buy 1 or 2 and start with that, and then use that money to buy more products if you want. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars. Anytime you're spending 3, 4, 5 grand to start a business, you're probably the product. Somebody's making money off selling something to you. You don't ever want to be in a position where you're spending that much money. Unless you have so much money already that it's like, okay, I'm buying a property to flip and I need to put in, 100 grand to flip it, whatever. But like in terms of internet stuff, okay, so the last one is Shopify dropshipping. Again, this is another one where you don't need to buy inventory to ship out. It's dropshipping, so that means when you only pay for the product, the source product, when you get a sale. So like, let's say you're selling a t-shirt, for instance. You make a video with the t-shirt, whatever. Whoever's shipping the product out, and also they're doing returns and everything, you don't got to deal with any of that garbage, or shipping, going to the post office, whatever. They ship it out, so you'll pay them like, let's say $6, and then you sell this online for 30. You keep 24 bucks profit, because basically you get the full 30 amount from the customer, and then you pay the 6 out to the manufacturer. So again, I have links below to all 3 of these. TikTok Shop, Faceless YouTube channel, and Shopify dropshipping. Shopify dropshipping, it is a little difficult to set everything up, but there's so many different niches and things you can set up now that it's extremely easy. You can set up a skincare brand. You can set up a coffee company dropshipping on Shopify. You can set up a clothing store. You can set up a electronics store, a car product store. I actually created a Shopify dropshipping store called Car Products USA. And I was selling like car vacuums and stuff, and I set it up in a day, and it's like, I didn't pay for any of those products, any of those items. I only paid when I got sales, and people are buying those things. So anyways, those are the 3 ways that I think, if you can start doing one of these things while you're out driving in between rides, you can literally start earning money doing one of these things from your phone, guys. And you leveraging the power of social media and leveraging the power that people are addicted to their phones. I mean, I don't even want to look at my screen time. It's probably insane right now. Obviously, I'm in a hustle grind phase where I'm just working a lot, so I'm on my devices all day long. But take advantage of people who just scroll all day long. Oh, I'll buy this. Oh, I'll buy that. I'm TikTok brain. So if you can do one of these things or find a way to make money, like so many people are right now, guys, if you can hop on this trend, and so you're driving Uber, because think about it, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, you don't have time to be on your phone while you're working most jobs. If you're out doing construction for 9 hours a day, and also you're probably gonna be exhausted afterwards, but if you're doing Uber and Lyft and DoorDash, you can take 30 minutes. That's the whole point of it. You can take 30 minutes off and make some videos and post it and then keep driving, doing your rides, you know, so you can make money to pay your bills and all that. And then you, oh my gosh, I just made 500 bucks on TikTok today. I just made money on YouTube, whichever one you're choosing, or Shopify dropshipping. And then you can cut back on your hours and just focus on that until the point where you're flip-flopping, and then all of a sudden you're making 20, 30 grand a month. It's not out of the ordinary. I mean, there's literally people. I taught one of my friends to do the Faceless YouTube channel, guys. She sent me a screenshot because I asked her to. I taught her how to make a Faceless YouTube channel. This was like 2 years ago. She sent me a screenshot. Look at this. She brought in, she never showed her face once. She never shared her voice. Over $300,000 on a channel that had 70K subscribers. Crazy, over 300 grand, a lot, and this was in the matter of like a year or two, I wanna say, maybe 2 years tops. And then she basically stopped, and then she's like a millionaire now. It changed, I mean, she already had a lot of money, but she was just kind of doing it for fun. But anybody can do it, like, cause I kept telling her, I was like, you should do YouTube, like you should try it out. And she's like, nah, I probably won't be good at it. I'm like, no, literally anybody can do it. So anyways, that's my rant. Check the links below if you'd like. There's 30-day free trials right now for the first 100 people who sign up for one of those courses. You can join the group chat. I'm posting in there, sharing all my best tips, tricks, and secrets to you guys on there. And I'd love to see you there. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll talk soon.